What's up YouTube, it's your boy James back with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 1 Mid White Shadow. These shoes were originally released on October 12th with a retail price tag of $115. Now for whatever reason, mids and lows are released and they don't have concrete release dates, there's no hype surrounding it, and they just drop them on us. So if you're not plugged in and paying attention to these releases when they drop, then you're going to miss out. Now these white shadows continue a lot of the releases from the mid product line from Jordan brand, where they've just been coming out with a bunch of really great colorways. Now even though there's a lot of people out there that say that they don't buy mids and they don't like rocking them and stuff like that, these sold out very, very quickly. Now on the flip side, there's a lot of people out there that really do love the mids and the lows from Jordan brand. And if you're paying any attention to the resale market on places like StockX and GOAT, you can see that a lot of the dope, hype colorways that have come out in the Jordan 1 mid product line have increased in price dramatically. So if you're a fan of the Jordan 1 mid or you're interested in picking up these white shadows, then I hope that this review can help you. So what we're going to do in today's video is I'm going to unbox these sneakers, I'm going to do a full detailed review, I'm going to hit you with it on feet, and then I'm going to leave you with my thoughts on the Air Jordan 1 Mid White Shadow. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. I love you guys, thanks so much for the support. But if this is your first time visiting the channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you all could do that thing that I like and destroy that like button for me, I would greatly appreciate it. It really does help the channel and put my videos out in front of more people. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss anything. So guys, this sneaker that just came out a couple of weeks ago is something that I'd missed out on. I was looking around and I seen that they released and I was clicking, trying to add them to the cart, and East Bay, Foot Locker, all those places, and they were sold out everywhere. And this year I've picked up quite a bit of shoes, from Jordan brand where, they had the light smoke grays in the lows and they had the shadows. Like these particular colorways that look like this, I really do like them. So whenever I seen that these white shadows dropped, I was trying frantically to buy them. But unfortunately, they were sold out. So I started checking eBay first, and a lot of the listings that I was coming across, I don't know, man, I didn't get a good feeling about, some of the shoes look fake, and I just really didn't feel comfortable purchasing from them right now. So then I started checking out StockX and GOAT and looking up the prices on there. And it looks to be about, depending upon size, that these shoes are going for on the resale market to be about $160 to $170-ish. And I've purchased from StockX, in the past few months, and it's taken forever for me to get my shoes. Although I did get them and I have no ill will towards them. Everything that they send me has been legit and everything like that. So I decided to order these from GOAT, and they already had these in stock and already authenticated. Now it does cost a couple of extra bucks to do it that way, but it does cut down on the shipping time because, a seller doesn't have to ship it to GOAT and then them authenticate it and then them ship it to you. So as far as shipping goes, there's two options that you could choose from. You can either do the standard shipping, which is $12, or you could do next day air, and they charge $25 for that. So typically when I place an order, I just do the standard shipping for $12. I normally don't do the next day air because it saves me a couple of bucks, and what's it hurting waiting a couple of extra days. But in this case, I wanted to actually see how quickly GOAT would get me these shoes, for in the future if I ever do want something, very, very quickly. So overall, the total cost of this shoe to get in hand, with the price of the shoe and the cost of the 2-day shipping, cost me around $200. Alright guys, so the package has just arrived and I have it in hand here. So this package is from GOAT and I'm going to open this up for you guys. Alright, we got some tissue paper, and let's see. Inside the box you have a GOAT verified tag, and on this they have quality control, authentication, and they punch out all the holes. Alright, so here's our box. And it just comes in your standard black Jordan box with the gold Jumpman there. Got a gold Jumpman on that side. And a gold 23 here. And on the size tag it reads Air Jordan 1 Mid, black, white, smoke gray. And this is a size 8. Alright, open up the box, and here you got a goat sticker. And then here you got your white tissue paper with gold 23 on it. And here we go with our first look. BAM! In hand, my first impression is this colorway is even better looking in person than it is in pictures. I really like the colorway as far as, the black, the white, and the smoke gray. I really do think if you're a fan of any of the other smoke gray colorways, that you're really going to like this shoe once you get it in hand as far as, just the aesthetics of the look. Alright guys, so now that we got these things unboxed, let's go ahead and take an up close look at the Air Jordan 1 Mid White Shadow. Alright, so here's our first up close look at the Air Jordan 1 Mid White Shadow. Starting at the top here, you're going to have this gray part. And then right below that, you're going to have this white panel. And then in the center here, you're going to have this Air Jordan Wings logo in black and white that is stitched into it. And then you have another gray part right here. Then coming down to the mid panel, you have this black part with the smoke gray Nike swoosh in the center. Now moving on to the back of the shoe, this white part extends to the heel and the mid of the shoe. Probably why they call it the White Shadows. Now down here, you have an all white rubber midsole that extends around the shoe to the front toe box. And then you have the black right here, and then you have that white leather with the perforated holes. Now this shoe comes with black laces, no other laces come in the box. And then you have like a mesh tongue. And at the top of the tongue you have this black patch with the white Jumpman and Air in white. The inside of the shoe is pretty much exactly the same, except for there's no Air Jordan Wings logo at the top. Inside the shoe, you're going to have an all black sock liner, and then inside the insole, you're going to have a white Jumpman with a black insole. And then inside the shoe behind the tongue, here's your tag. On the bottom of the shoe, you have that all black outsole with that Nike logo in the center. Overall, man, I really do love this colorway. I think it's fire. This is a very, very clean shoe. And it falls in line with a lot of the other Jordan brand releases with the smoke gray colorways. And I think that this hits very, very nicely. But let me go ahead and throw these things on and show you what they look like on feet. So I really do think that this is a dope sneaker. If you're into Jordan 1 mids, then this is something that I think you'll like if you like these particular colors on your shoe. Personally, I wear a lot of black, white, and gray, so any particular silhouette that has those colors attached to the colorway, I'm going to be very interested in that. So as far as this particular shoe goes, I did pay over retail for it, through GOAT, and GOAT came through for me. I got the shoes super quick. They're in really nice condition. I really do like them, and I'm very happy with my purchase. So if you haven't been sure about, if you want to place an order through GOAT or, you've been looking around, you're not really sure, I'm here to tell you they did a fantastic job shipping me these shoes. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I spend my own money on these. This is just my personal experience. So, take it for what you will. But I want to know what you think. Were you able to cop these, for retail or Foot Locker or one of those other stores? Or are you interested in picking this up on the resale market? Let me know down in the comment section. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you could do that thing I like and destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any videos on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.